All right, so today we are sitting at a beautiful house. It's a big family house. It's like the perfect upgrade house where maybe you have a little bit of a smaller house and you're like trying to get this nice, big, beautiful home. But this one is super special because it sits on Chimney Golf Club, which has obviously become one of the top rated golf courses in the state of Georgia. This one specifically is backed up to the 15th hole, which is awesome. On the inside, you'll see it's super updated, super modern. It's practically brand new. There's not a lot of deferred maintenance that'll be necessary. You just move straight in and you start enjoying your home. Let's check out the inside. All right, so right when you walk in, what's really special about this floor plan, you get this like deep hallway that goes into the open space. What's cool about this one is you have this open, what could be used as a formal dining room or a kid's playroom, flex space. Behind us, this is what they use as the office. And so you have some natural light that comes in. They have 2 desks. You can turn it into one big one. You could even put a door here, French doors, if you wanted to continue it as an office, or put a door here, call it a bedroom. Obviously there's no closet, it's not a bedroom, but come on, it's a bedroom. And then this is a half bath. It is stubbed for a full bath. So if you wanted to get rid of this wall and the beautiful wallpaper, then you could put a full bath here if you did turn that into a bedroom. On this back side, this is where the house starts to open up a little bit, where you have kitchen plus living room, and you'll see it's super sizable. Nice fireplace, everything is centered around the fireplace. You have an eating table here, some bar stools for like a breakfast area. You buy this house because you have a family, you're growing kids, maybe you have some little kids and you're hoping to grow into the house, or you need some extra space because you have some teenagers. Like, this is for you. There's a kitchen island, plenty of countertop space, tons of cabinets for all the storage that you'll need. Pantry is right here. And I know at the very beginning, we showed a little bit of how it sits right behind hole 15, but after I'm done showing you the top, I'm gonna show you the backyard, which is like the super appealing part, and how it lays right behind hole 15, which as we're filming this, there was somebody that just finished up the hole, but it was super dope. You gotta see him putt on the putting green. All right, when we come upstairs, the first thing you'll notice is the loft area here on this right side. They put a couch, perfect for like an Xbox. Kids can come play up here. Massive laundry room here on the back side. There's wire shelves, but it's so easy to put some cabinets here. And you could even put a folding table. They could use this as a folding table. The reason I like this floor plan though, is you have the master bedroom here, and then they actually use this as the kids' bedroom. So baby room here, right beside the parents' bedroom, so it's super easy access. And then if you have 2 older kids, you can put them on the back side. Now this master, super big. Like, I'm gonna try to show off the depth of it by going all the way back here. It's bigger than you think. And you have a direct view to hole 15, which is, super nice. The natural light floods in. The master bath is very big because you have double vanity. It's a separate, tub shower, but the walk-in shower could fit 3 people. It's super wide. And the closet's big enough to be super functional because you can put everything here on the right side. It's like shoes, hats, jewelry, and then you still have plenty of room to put, maybe some boots or some dresses or the rest of your clothes. It's as big as you really ever need it. Okay, so this is also something that's like super niche, but let's say you need another bedroom upstairs. You frame this in, you turn that laundry room into a full bath and closet combo. You pull the laundry appliances, the washer and dryer, put it in this closet. And then now you have a whole extra bedroom and a whole nother bathroom. And then that bedroom and these 2 bedrooms can now share this full bath, which would be super awesome. So now you have 3 full baths up and 5 bedrooms, which would be awesome. Now here's the other 2 secondary bedrooms. This one's really cool because it's just as big, nice bedroom, double window, so you have extra sunlight in this one. Big closet here on the left side as you walk in. And then back here, this one has 1 window, but it has no obstruction from any other house. So you have plenty of natural sunlight in this one. I'd say the theme of this whole house is a lot of natural sunlight. You're sitting on a golf course and there's plenty of space to grow into. Now let's check out the backyard. All right, so as we come outside, there's 2 cool parts. One, you have this open fence, no privacy fences, because you want to be able to keep the view of the golf course and make the golf course look nice. If the golf course keeps looking nice, then obviously homes continue to appreciate. Other cool part, this septic system is a shared septic system that is paid for with your HOA dues. So you may have had like a big blow up on a septic tank on a past house, but this is serviced by the HOA, which is super sick. And the yard is much bigger than you think. It could fit 3 or 4 dogs playing around and kids with volleyball net, maybe like, I don't know, badminton, whatever you want to play. There's plenty of space. But if you're looking to make a move here, my name's Tristan, 770-519-8145. I would love to show you the house before it sells. I'll see you.